So for the cleaning drive, the second stage belt, when this belt becomes loose, what we then need to do is tension the spring. But before we can tension the spring to bring this belt up tight, we need to first of all loosen off this nut here. Once that's loose, this spring now is live. So what we need to do now is we need to unlock these two nuts here. Once they're unlocked, then we can now use the front nut to now wind the washer and spring tight. What we're looking for is this washer to be in line with the gauge. Once that is in line with the gauge, this belt is now tensioned, so first of all we need to lock these two nuts together. Once they lock together, the last thing we need to do is lock this nut. Once that's locked off, this belt is now tensioned.